guys, if you ever wondering how to create a calendar and that people to subscribe and you will automatically update to your subscribers. Let's say you create a calendar for your family to or your team member. They only need to subscribe for once and then see the update automatic. How can we achieve that? First, there's a lot of calendar software, but today we only cover Outlook. So let's say I have a calendar here. It's like gathering calendar, and I want to send it to other people to subscribe. First, Outlook only allow you to publish calendars by using Outlook web app. So I'm here in Outlook web app. First, I try to look at some share option in the calendar I want to publish, but when I click that one, I can't see any option that I can publish that. Instead of click share here, you need to go to the option here and click the setting. So in settings, go to share calendars, and there's two options. One is share a calendar and the other one is publish. And right now, and so in publish, you can see here's like detail. You can publish a calendar and share a link with other people and that then view the calendars online. So here, just click the calendars you want to share. For me, I want to share the gathering calendars and select permissions. So there's three options. Can view when I am busy, can view titles and location, and can view all details. Then I want my followers to see all my detail, so I click can view all details, then publish. After you publish, you can see two options. One is HTML link and the other one is ICS link. So you can, for me, I want to save ICS, then I can copy that. So you can share that link to the people you want to, people want to subscribe your calendar. So how can I edit? So in your Outlook calendar, just add calendars and subscribe from web. Then paste your new calendar here. Then add the name you want and let me say then choose the color and icon you want, then import. After a few seconds, you can see there's a calendar I added. So that's today's tips for how to publish your calendars to your subscriber. But that's from Outlook Web. Hope you guys enjoyed the tips today. If you like today's context, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tips. See you next time. Bye.